Hi, my name is Betty, and I've been performing urodynamics on patients for over 25 years. During this time, I have also trained many clinicians. Let's just say I'm very familiar with this test. Personally, I think it's very encouraging that you are getting this test done because it will give you and your doctor added information to identify what is causing your uncomfortable bladder symptoms. In this series of short videos, I will provide additional education about this test to support what your doctor may have already told you. Let's get started. Urodynamics is a specialized medical test designed to evaluate bladder function. It helps diagnose issues that cause troublesome symptoms such as urine leakage, frequent urination, persistent feeling of urge to go to the bathroom, and also difficulty emptying your bladder. Your urodynamics evaluation using the Glean Urodynamics system will take place in your doctor's office. The test involves three basic parts. The first part of the test occurs in the exam room where the sensor will be placed in your bladder. This will take just a few minutes. The second part is the bladder filling phase. During this time, you will drink fluids while the Glean sensor records data as your bladder fills. You will likely be in the waiting room for this part of the test. You will be directed to write down your bladder sensations as they occur. The idea is to recreate your typical symptoms. For this part of the test, you will return to the exam room to empty your bladder in private, and the sensor will be removed. If possible, please arrive with a comfortably full bladder. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. Bring something with you to keep yourself entertained during this waiting period. Continue your normal diet and take routine medications. If you're taking a bladder medication, consult your doctor about whether to pause it for the test. The evaluation will not require you to need a driver. After the Glean sensor is placed, you will be asked to drink fluids while in the waiting room and to document your symptoms as they occur. The Glean sensor will be collecting pressure data. When your bladder is full and you feel a strong urge to urinate, you will return to the exam room. After you empty your bladder, the doctor will remove the sensor. You may go home or back to work immediately after your evaluation. Your doctor will contact you to review the results of your Glean test and discuss your treatment plan moving forward. Your doctor will walk you through what the test results mean. The test is not a pass or fail. Your doctor will learn if your challenges are related to bladder itself, or urethra, or sphincter. This will inform the plan that your doctor prescribes to treat the issue. The Glean Urodynamics system is the only catheter wireless urodynamic system on the market today. It is the most advanced technology available. Glean consists of a small medical-grade sensor that is inserted into the bladder to collect physiological data for a few hours as your bladder fills and empties. The Glean system measures pressure data that is helpful for your doctor to accurately diagnose your condition and propose the best treatment plan.